The next topic of environmental studies, chapter 8, emerging modern lifestyle and overutilization of resources. In the modern lifestyle, human beings are utilizing the resources too much. So it affects the environment that we will study in this chapter. So it says that with the advent of the modern age, whenever there is any advantage or whenever there is any advancement in any area, then there is effect on the resources. Ever since the advancement took place in almost all the fields, there were a lot of developments brought about in the areas of agriculture, transport, and industries. So there were a lot of changes in this. Sea routes and air routes were discovered, which led to the practice and import of culture. Scientific discoveries were there. This period of reformation brought a major change in the country as caused the industrial revolution. The modernization can be defined. So this process where the society changed into a developed society is called the modernization. So what is the definition of modernization? It can be defined as the transformation from a traditional rural agrarian society to a secular urban industrial society. The definition of modernization. The modern society is an industrial society. So why is it only industrial? Because if there is a society where there is no industry, then it will be considered as a less developed society. So where there is an industrialization, it encompasses profound economic, social, political, and cultural changes. It is by undergoing the comprehensive transformation that societies became modern. And modernization is a continuous open ended process. Open ended means it does not have any limit, it is a continuous process. It has two main phases. Up to a certain point in its course of the first phase, there are first phase, that is the first part of modernization, is the institutions and value of society along with it. This is regarded as the progressive movement where the growth and development takes place. In the second phase, the societies take an array of new problems. That means after the development takes place, there are more new problems which start, and these problems are the main problems which affect the society. So what is the emerging lifestyle in the modern society? So because the society has become modern, there is an impact on the society. A major impact of industrial revolution which has been seen on the lifestyle of the people of modern society. Agriculture has become commercialized, and many countries they have got commercialized agriculture. Earlier agriculture was basically for people to eat the food. They would grow crops to eat it. But later on, now you know that agriculture is used for commercial, for it is sold and you earn money. During the 19th century, the society and culture of the country were they were having tremendous change. The Britishers spread English education. You have read in history that the industries which are set up, they helped in breaking the barriers between the Western and Indian culture. Western culture was said to be more developed, and with the influence of the Western culture, the Indians also developed. Human beings are capable of altering the environment according to their needs and use. Because of the availability of the resources, the methods of manipulate the environment. When human beings continuously use the environment, they affect the environment. With the latest technology, we are able to get anything and anywhere. Due to the communication, the internet has served as a boon because it has helped to collect information from any part of the world. So there are appliances which we are using. They are used to keep the homes cool in summer and warm in winter. different vehicles are being used. So these are the tools which have been brought up by the development. Now what happens with the use of the tools, that will come in the next part, which is the resources.